blessing to each and every one of you. I have been actively trading, since morning. All right, today has been a very significant day because we saw the market went up, right? After the Federal Reserve FOMC increased the basis point by 25, all right, basis point, which is not really significant, and because of that, we saw the market went up. All right, and I have already expected that the market will actually tank, okay, at a certain top there, and then now we saw the market actually coming down. And please take note, this is weekend, we are moving into weekend. All right, Asian is currently Friday. All right, so the market will be wrapping up for the weekend, and the exchanges volume will start to reduce, and there can even be some kind of manipulation. So you have to be very careful if you are trading. So I've been still trading. I have still a few positions here, but what is really important, I want to show you, right, something really exciting, is that I want you to look at the total amount available here. Okay, now just imagine, right, with JD100X, okay, this amount when I started, it was only about $199. All right, so let's say it is about $200. All right, that's about $200, and $200, okay, I've been trading for the past about 10 days. All right, just about 10 days, and I've actually grown this account. Now, you might be asking, right, hey, Dr. John, you have a lot of money, you can actually have a bigger equity. No, what I'm trying to do is that I'm actually trying to relate with a smaller guy, okay, especially if you are new into trading or you want to be part of JD100X, but you don't have a bigger capital. All right, but please understand, you will not start to trade with your real money first. Okay, you will do a demo first, and once you have done the demo, all right, you will do the demo, and once you do the demo, you will be trading certain number of position, and once you actually hit a win rate of 80% and above, then I will officially approve you to start to use your real money to trade. All right, so this is a real money here, okay, $200. So if, let's say, for example, you already hit the winning rate and you want to start to trade, so you can actually start, okay, with $100. Even you can start with $10, but please understand, that's money you get, you will not be able to enjoy the profit, right? So you need to have some significant amount of money there so that you can start to grow. So the whole idea, okay, you don't have to put a big amount. The whole idea is that you start small, okay, start small and start to grow your available balance. That's the most important thing, okay, grow your available balance. So in this example, you can see, all right, I started with $200, all right, $200. I have grown my available balance to 900. Can you see that? $949. All right, now this is like this is like what, close to about 400%. All right, 400% growth in 10 days. All right, in 10 days. All right, so some people ask me, is it really possible, when you say that we can actually do about $500 to $1,000 every month? It is possible. All right, it is possible. So that's the reason why you will be learning. All right, you will be learning the secret to JD100X warrior move. All right, so you will be able to learn the 4 secret, right? The 4 warrior move, which is you need to learn how to decipher the market. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to decipher the market direction, and then you're going to do what we call a perfect entry. So the first move is the market direction. That's the most important thing. All right, and then the perfect entry, and thereafter, when you talk about perfect entry, definitely you need to understand not only the direction of the market, you must be able to actually understand the price action. Okay, so I'm going to teach you. Come on, I will make things simple, so anyone, even if you are a housewife, even if you are a contractor, even if you are a construction, even if you don't have a background at all, you don't even have a background, you don't even know what is trading all about, you will be the best candidate. Okay, so you don't have to worry. All that you need to do is be in my mentorship, and I will guide you exactly what needs to be done. So what is the 4 warrior move? Number 1 is decipher the market direction. Number 2, perfect entry. Number 3, take the money. All right, take the money. So when you see a profit, don't wait, take the money. All right, and then you have to reposition for war. All right, now please understand JD100X is so unique because this is a war on the 1 minute chart. So what we are doing here, we are waging war against the red army and the green army. All right, so that is what we are really doing, and I'm going to teach you tactical strategy for war. All right, so get ready. So if you are registering, those of you who have registered, congratulations. All right, congratulations. I think we only have 5 more, okay? 5 more spot left, okay? So if you really want to be part of it, please, okay? Please quickly, because the closing date is coming to an end. All right, in another 2 days, the closing date is coming to an end. Now, let me quickly show you today's result, okay? How many positions I have actually placed, what is the result today, so that at least, right, you can take a look, all right? How is the situation? What is really happening with the market, and how I am actually taking advantage, even if the market is up or even if the market is down, it doesn't matter for me, because at JD100X, when we trade crypto leverage, we can trade whether the market is bull or whether the market is bearish. It doesn't matter, okay? Both of the market. And for me personally, I love risk, okay? I am a risk taker, and I love volatile market. All right, volatile market is where you make the money, okay? It's where you make the money. So I love the volatility of it. Now this is today's trade, okay? Just about half day, right? Just about half day, and this is basically just about probably for the past 8 to 9 hours. All right, so now take a look at all these results, okay? This is just brilliant, right? To be able to see. Can you see that? 34%, 59%, okay? And then I have Bitcoin Cash, okay? 66%. And then we have Luna, okay? LUNC, right? That is 26%. We have Sushi, right? 106%. Now, I can keep showing you the result, all right? All the way down here. Can you see that? So, we have massive, today was a massive trading opportunity that I had, all right? And you can see that, okay? Total ROE as of today is about 1,226.9%. Wow. Wow, that is mind-boggling, right? No one will believe when you say you got an ROI of 1,000 over, okay? Now, please take a look. There are about 28 positions, okay? These are just 28 positions. I have even closed more. I think by today I'll be able to close probably 30 to 40 positions, okay? Now, please understand, normally when I trade an average of 10 to 15 positions a day. And my goal is very simple, okay? My win rate, as I mentioned to you, our JD100X protege, JD100X goal win rate is 80% and above. All right, 80% and above. Most of the time, all right, most of the time I can base. I'm a sharpshooter. All right, I can get 100% win rate, or sometimes I get about 98% or 95%. It doesn't matter. All right, as long as you know how to manage your wallet, you understand the risk management, you cannot be in the losing position, because you are a winner. All right, you are a winner. So with JD100X, you are a winner. So now you can see, all right, 1,226.9% ROI, and this is like 28 position. All right, so you can see that the win rate is about 100%. So that's normal, okay? For me, it's normal. I try, okay? I try not to lose any trade, but even sometimes if I lose, okay, it doesn't matter, because it's all factored into the risk management, okay? But most of the time, all right, most of the time, I expect to get my average win rate at least, okay, 95% and above. All right, and for you, if you are part of JD100X, your first goal, your first target is to hit 80% and above. Let me tell you something. If you can make 80% and above, I salute you. All right, that simply means your winning rate, your percentage is about 80%. Wow, that is even better than any professional traders, okay? Salute you. Now, let me just quickly I'll show you what is really happening here. So you have to really hurry. As I mentioned to you, there are only 2 days left. All right, 2 days left. On the 5th of February, the enrollment will be officially closed, and thereafter you have to pay the original price. Okay, the original price or the usual price is $450. All right, but if you would actually enroll before or by the 5th of February, okay, I'm talking about New York, okay, or the Eastern time. So you might actually have about, I think about 2.5 days, okay, 2.5 days or 3 days, okay, if you follow the Eastern time. So by the 5th of Eastern time, all right, if you don't do that, then you have to basically pay $450. But this is an offer, okay, that I don't want you to miss out. So if you can enroll by the 5th of February, all right, you're going to enjoy only $150. All right, let me just repeat that once again, okay? If you enroll by the 5th of February, Eastern time, all right, Eastern time, you only have to pay $150. So take this advantage, okay, because you don't have to be paying. So the amount that you are saving, right, that is close to about $300, you can actually use as your trading capital. Isn't that awesome, right? So take advantage of this information, all right? This information will be very crucial if you are watching this video at this moment. And also, once the enrollment closes, okay, the kickoff workshop will start on the 9th of February. So this is where you're going to meet up with me through the Zoom, all right? And this is where I'm going to actually guide you. So you're going to spend at least about a minimum of 2 hours with me during the kickoff workshop, all right, during the kickoff workshop. And once the workshop completed, you will then be added into my special Jumpstart Discord group. All right, so that's where you're going to receive the 6 weeks of mentorship. And during that 6 week, okay, there's going to be plenty of revision workshop that is going to take place. You're going to receive all the guidance, the insights. So you're going to have a feel how is JD100X War Room all about, okay? So, and I think this is going to be brilliant, right? Brilliant. So now, please make sure, okay, take this advantage. Those of you who have already signed up, congratulations to you. All right, I have a certain number at this moment. We only have 5 more slots left. All right, only 5 more slots left. And I believe, okay, I have been receiving a lot of calls. People have been calling me and say, Dr. John, please spare a seat for me. I'm just arranging the money. It will be there very soon. It doesn't matter. If you are someone and you know that you're going to get your fund, and probably you say, I may not be able to get it on the 5th, but I'm really interested. I want to lock my seat now. Then please make sure you send an email. All right. You send an email, all right, to Dominate. Send an email to dominate@jdwealthmaker.com. Okay, immediately do that. Send that email to me, all right, so that the admin can have a look into it and let us know the reason, okay, your genuine reason why you want to lock your spot, and you're going to arrange that payment, okay? And let us know by when you can make the payment. But you have to do whatever it is by the 9th, okay, sorry, by the 8th, because 9 is already the kickstart workshop. So please take note of this information. I'm just trying to be as generous as I can, because I want to help as many of you. Imagine, all right, this is a high income skill. Now, if you can actually generate $500 to $1,000 every single month, an extra income, just imagine, even if you pay $150, right, you would already recover your money probably less than a month. All right, so this is important. So look into the value, all right, look into the value that you're going to receive, because this is a lifetime skill for life. And this skill for life is an asset that you're going to carry with you forever. So you can see that I can actually trade anywhere. This is just, I'm just using my smart device, which is my tablet. I can be moving anywhere. I can be looking into the opportunity of the market, and I can actually take advantage of the opportunity and place a trade. That is it, okay? It's just that simple, okay? And I believe you too can make these things happen. So if you are really interested, okay, if you are serious about acquiring this skill for life, all right, then please make sure, okay, look at the description below. If you are watching this video, look at the description below. If you are reading this information in the Telegram or in any social media, you will be able to find a link, okay, which is basically my website, jdwealthmaker.com/Jumpstart, okay, Jumpstart Mentorship. So make sure you click that link, and immediately it will bring you to the landing page. And from that landing page, you can have a look. All right, you can actually read all those information, different testimonials and so on. All right, and thereafter there is a button at the bottom where you can actually click, straight away bring you to the payment page. Now, some of you may not be able to pay through the credit card. Don't worry about it, okay? Send an email at dominate@jdwealthmaker.com if you want to pay either using Bitcoin or USDT. all right, the admin will then send you those information, and you can easily transfer crypto, right? Easily do the payment through crypto. So I hope, right, this information has been a blessing, all right, has been a blessing. I hope, and I really hope that you too, right, you too can actually, learn how to increase your balance. Now, this is just amazing, right? Just amazing. From $200, imagine if you can actually do the same thing by increasing your wallet balance. So remember, winning is all about increasing your wallet balance. So if you are a trader, your wallet balance must go up. That's all. So whether you win or you lose, at the end of it, the only key performance indicator is your wallet balance. Can you see that? So that is the most important thing. That's why when you go to war, all right, when you walk out when you walk out of that territory, when you walk out of the battle zone, you are walking out with all the spoils, all right? And this is how you walk out of your trading. You walk out victoriously. So I wish every one of you a blessed weekend. Have a fantastic time. Make sure to take the advantage, okay? 2 days, just 2 days left, and make sure you do everything possible. And I look forward seeing you on the 9th of February 2023 during our Kickstart workshop. God bless each and every one of you.